Baby, let me tell you something. It is now 4:48 a.m. and I am just sitting in gratitude for the life that I currently get to live. It is so quiet and so peaceful, and I feel so calm and so safe in this very moment. When I think about that, I spent so much time inside of a relationship where my normal became having nonsensical arguments between 2 a.m. and 4 a.m. or between 2 a.m. and 6 a.m. with someone who refused to address their mental. You know what? It doesn't even matter. I am just thankful for where I am today. Wow. The birds are singing. Everything's still. Whew, thank you, thank you, thank you.